Well, I'm going to make what I consider the perfect breakfast. And of course, a perfect breakfast always takes bacon. Uh-oh. Looking a little low. I got 2 slices. We got to do something about that. Let's see, there's 1 slice. 2 slice. Throw this away. One thing old Hippie Biker always needs is plenty of bacon. 3 more slices. At least 5 slices of bacon. Gotta have bacon, bacon, bacon. Gotta have bacon, gotta have bacon. If you're gonna make breakfast, you gotta have bacon. Oh no. I know, I claim to be a hippie biker. Ha 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 ha. But the hippie part, I am no vegetarian. I love my bacon. Yeah. We'll check this out in a moment or two. Give us some more light. But the bacon is going to get started right there. Yes. Of course, I always store my bacon in this Rubbermaid device. Try to keep it somewhat fresh. You can still see it turns color though. You see the difference in the older bacon and the newer bacon. Now while the bacon is cooking, we're going to prepare our eggs to make an omelet. So let me grab, uh-oh, that feels kind of light. Get it. Oh no, I only got 1 egg. 1 egg. This is not good. I'm gonna have to make a 1 egg omelet. Don't know if I can do this, but let's prepare the egg while the bacon is cooking. Yeah, recycle. This is one way I recycle. I use these old tin cans to pour grease into, put other waste. If I lived out on a farm, I'd save the shells for other use, but I don't. I put a little bit of milk in there. I'll stir it up. It's going to be a puny omelet, but it's going to be an omelet. Okay. We'll let that sit aside. We're going to hold that for grease, and we'll put that paper towel down in there for I'll need to pour the grease in there. Now the bacon's still cooking. After the bacon cooks, we'll make our omelet. Of course, I'm going to need some cheese, right? Right. There will be the cheese. I need to wipe that off. You know, if you're wondering what's going on, you know, you go, hey, oh hippie biker, where's the motorcycles? Well, you know, just like a motorcycle needs gasoline for fuel, this old hippie biker needs bacon for fuel. What I'm really trying to tell you, like I said, you don't know where I'm going to go on my road. And this morning my road is about my stomach. And my stomach says I need some bacon and I need some eggs. So I'm going to make breakfast. And like I said, this is a blog of an old hippie biker. And sometimes you get motorcycles, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you get bacon and sometimes you don't. But just stick with me as I prepare my breakfast. Now turn this bacon over. Starting to get crispy on the other side. A lot of grease. A lot of grease. Separate it. You know, you're cooking for yourself, which I am this morning. Yeah. Let's see, I need to flip that one over, I think. And it's starting to get crispy, looking good. And of course we got cheese. It's just old plain old American processed cheese, but that'll work. Have this to drain the bacon on after it gets done. And do some more flippy poppy. Yeah, that looks good. Ooh, looks good. Hope I don't get no grease popped onto my camera. Like I said, this is just slices of life in this old man, retired old biker. And today you're gonna see how I make breakfast. And I got me a tomato here. For all my friends up in Ohio, this is an Ohio Red. Yeah. Nature Fresh. And this was vine ripened. I don't know about that. Let's put that over there. Cleaned off. It's a little hard. Don't know how good it's going to be. Let's cut some of this. Hard to always get rid of. Now, I used to make biscuits and gravy for the tomatoes, but I had to do away. That stuff's got way too much starch. Oh, wait a minute. No, bacon's starting to look like it's overcooking. Let's flip that again. Nice. Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Yeah, there we go. Let's finish cutting up the tomato. And I'm not a cook, by the way. Never was a cook. I cook, but I'm not a cook, if that makes sense. Yeah, that little piece I don't like. I'm going to throw it over here. It's going to go in the trash later. That looks pretty good. Let's put it over here to drain. Yes. Does that look good? Trash that. And now we're gonna pour this in here. And it's not gonna be the best omelet. But because it's only one egg, it's gonna be kind of thin. But that's the reason I decided to have some tomato and to go with my meal. Of course, my son thinks 5 pieces of bacon is too much. He thinks 3's the max. So dab some of that grease off there. Yeah, I have borderline cholesterol, but I got a pill for that. I'm trying to eat high protein and cheese, and then a little bit of vitamin C or whatever else that you can get with the tomato. And look at that. I'm gonna place that piece of cheese right there. And I'm gonna try to flip this. It's kind of thin. I'm not used to 1 egg omelets, but I should have went and bought some more eggs before doing this. But this is for the moment. Like I said, no hippie biker. I have no plan. I have no script. Let's put that there. Flip the bacon over on there. Get rid of more trash. I go in there. And let's see. I'll set that there right now. Got my tomato. And there goes the tomato. Get that out of the way. I'll do cleanup after I eat. Let's try flipping this full omelet. Oh yeah. Those just, doesn't that look good? Let's see if we can get this omelet over here. Now, Does that not look like the breakfast of champions? Yeah, let's go consume this. Yeah. Now that looks good. Got my Texas Pete. Got my San Pellegrino water. And I got my coffee. It's community breakfast plate. Voila, breakfast. Well, got my breakfast done. It's looking pretty good. Of course, we got to put some Texas Pete hot sauce on there. Yeah. Got to have hot sauce. Yeah. Tabasco sauce. You know, I used to use it until I checked this out, and this is a whole lot better. And pour me a little bit of water. Yeah. There. Got me some mineral water. San Pellegrino. Sounds like I'm a yuppie, don't it? Yeah. And put a little bit black pepper on the eggs, on the tomato, and just a touch of salt on the tomatoes. Anyways, this is the perfect breakfast for a biker. Anyways, for this biker, it is the best breakfast. And you know, like the old saying says, if you like this video, hit like. Don't forget to share the video. Yeah, share the video. And subscribe. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy this breakfast. And hope you all are having a beautiful day. Stay tuned. More great things are going to be happening as this old man continues to live out his retirement. The old hippie biker, the Solivagant, sending out blessings to everybody. Bye-bye. Delicious.